In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Facebook ads to HubSpot. By the end, you'll have your Facebook ad account linked so you can track performance, sync leads, and manage campaigns right inside HubSpot. Before we start, make sure you're logged into HubSpot with the right permissions and that your Facebook profile has access to the ad account you plan to use. If you use a pop-up blocker, consider disabling it for this setup since you'll be authorizing through a separate window. First, open HubSpot and go to Settings by clicking the gear icon at the top right. This takes you into the main settings area where you can manage all your tools and integrations. On the right-hand pane, scroll down until you find the Tools section. This is where HubSpot groups features like ads, emails, and payments. Next, select Ads. On the Ads screen, you'll see an option that says Get Started with Ads. Click that. HubSpot will now prompt you to choose the network you want to connect. Select Facebook. This begins the authorization flow that securely links your Facebook ads account to HubSpot. A Facebook window will appear asking you to sign in if you aren't already. Follow the steps on screen. You'll be asked to confirm the business you're working with and which permissions you want to grant. It's a good idea to allow the recommended permissions so HubSpot can pull in ad performance, connect lead forms, and attribute contacts correctly. If you manage multiple ad accounts or pages, choose the ones you want available in HubSpot. Confirm and continue until you see a success message. When you return to HubSpot, you should see your Facebook account listed as connected. That's it. Your accounts are now linked. From here, you can create and monitor campaigns in the Ads tool, review conversions, and, if you run Facebook lead ads, route those leads directly into your CRM for faster follow-up. If something doesn't connect right away, double-check that your Facebook user has access to the ad account you're trying to use, ensure you selected the correct business assets during the authorization, and try again with pop-ups enabled. Switching browsers or using a private window can also help if a cached login is getting in the way. And there you go. That's all you need to connect Facebook ads to HubSpot. Thanks for watching, and happy advertising.